In this video, I'm going to show you after login how anyone can actually redirect to the home page. If I go for the login, here you can see test 2468. If I go for the login, it will took me to the dashboard. Here you can see. So I don't actually want to do this. Let's say somebody will logged in and they will actually redirect to the home page here after login. Okay, home page. And we'll actually add here an option dashboard if the user is logged in, and then through the dashboard they can actually access the dashboard. Okay, that's it. So guys, let's do this. Let's go to the code editor, and here let me remove all of them. From here you can actually go to the app, then HTTP, then controllers, then auth, and from here you can see we have so many file, so PHP file. You have to actually go one by one, and the first one after let's say registered user controller. So here you can see return redirect route dashboard. So every single time we have to change it. Okay, to where if I go to the routes, then web.php, and here you can see this is the name index. So I'm going to copy it. So this is the default home route, right? Okay, so let's go back to the file, and that is registered user controller. Double click on it, and here we'll change the index. Okay, that's it. After that we'll go for the email verification, and here also, I mean, every single time when you find dashboard you can actually use here index. That's it. Just go use here index instead of dashboard. You can see dashboard, so I'll say index. Index. That's it. We don't need it. Where is this? So that's done. Everything is done here. Now let's check. Refresh. Let's say want to log out. Now let's say want to log in. 2468. Login, and here you can see I'm in the user. I mean, sorry, the default home page, right? The default URL. So now here I'm going to add one more option, dashboard. So let's go back to the code, and in the resources and then views, we have here index, right? Index. So it explains main design. So let's go back to the main design, and here you can see we have set here auth, that if it is not auth then show the login, else we'll actually add here one more link. So let's copy this and let's paste it here, and the reference would be here, let's say at first dashboard, BOARD, and it will go for the dashboard. Okay, dash BOARD. That's it. Now let's check. If I refresh, you will find here dashboard also, right? Okay, so now let's click on dashboard. Now here you can see it's a user dashboard, and if I go for the logout, and then let's say I want to log in as admin, login, it should took me to the home page. Here you can see, and then we have dashboard, and if I click on dashboard, now here you can see this is the admin dashboard. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.